Yesterday my Supra overheated. Today I pulled the dipstick and this is what I found. Can you see that little milky oil? It's very little, but it's milky. And if you build an engine, you already know why my stomach dropped. Last video, the car overheated after a few pulls. I was hoping it was something simple. Then today, the dipstick had milky oil. The water I put in the coolant reservoir was gone. And water mixed with the oil means either the head is cracked, or the block is cracked, or it's just blown head gasket. I did a pressure test, and this is what I got, cylinder by cylinder. 105, 110, 102, which is all, they are all low, but they're all consistent. Now we are doing a leak down test. I have here, this is going to be set to 0. Now I'm going to connect, and we're going to see cylinder number 0. It's losing almost 40%, but it's still on the green. And I'm going to go around and see if I can hear any noise. Now I put the dipstick in there, and I'm going to go and go up until it doesn't go up anymore. There you go. I'm going to put this in here. And we're going to put this guy in there. Set to 0. Okay. And let's go. Cylinder number 3, still alright. And we're going to go to the next one. Look at cylinder number 4. Look. So I know enough. I don't need to know exactly which ones were. So let's find out if I blew up another engine. So cylinder 4 is definitely communicating with the cooling system. Whether that is a head gasket, a cracked head, or even something worse, we're about to find out. So subscribe, stay tuned, because on the next videos we're gonna take this head apart and see what we have. And later.